Rewire, as I said in the last stream, I've had some troubles being as private now that I'm on Android. The main issue for me was that I had previously relied on Apple Maps for private routing. Initially, the only serious map applications to consider were Waze and Google Maps. I knew about OpenStreetMap, but the map in my area had very little detail, so I went with Waze as they said they didn't share data with Google. That was until I heard that anyone can edit OpenStreetMap. I created an account and began to make contributions using my knowledge, correcting roads, and adding businesses I know of. I've even started to do some surveying today. It's now good enough that I can use it for basic purposes, but I'm going to keep improving it. Even though I still supplement with Waze, once it's good enough, I plan to commit to Organic Maps, which has a much more friendly UI than OSM and for fully offline navigation. Okay, this is one of the biggest issues I've seen, actually. Like, of all the apps I've seen, photos used to be a really hard one for people to find alternatives to, and I think Entei's been really closing that gap. But maps is still a big one. You know, people will just say, oh, just use OSM, OpenStreetMap. And I think it's very generous to call OSM a fully feature-filled replacement to like Apple Maps and Google Maps. That's just a very, very ambitious thing to get people to move to. With that said, you did mention organic maps, which is a great start. There's also Magic Earth, which I've heard really good things about. So those are kind of the two I hear the most about here. But even then, I feel like for a lot of people, it's going to feel like a transition from Apple and Google Maps. What I did really want to outline here is I want to give you massive congrats for actually like seeing, hey, oh yeah, OSM is missing these like critical places that I know exist. So I'm going to step forward and I'm going to like contribute that data myself. And I think that's awesome, and I just want to give massive props to you for like making the change that you want to see. And if everybody did that, then OSM would be a lot better. And so maybe if any of you use OSM or you already have it installed, see if you can contribute something new. If everyone contributed just one extra thing, it would really help a ton. So congrats, and it's really awesome to see you be the change you want to see. This clip came from our main channel, Techlore, where we talk about digital rights and how to keep yourself and the people around you safe online, as well as just reclaiming a little bit more ownership. If you enjoy this content, want more nuance, and want a little bit more of a deep dive, check out our main channel here on the screen or in the description, and we'll see you there.